This video is for all of you that are watching my tutorial, the 2017 Amazon affiliate one, and you're wondering why the theme in that video looks different to the theme that you've just installed on your website. The reason for that is because they updated the theme just after I put that tutorial up, so that was a bit of a pain. But in this video, I'm going to take you through the differences between the two so that you can easily, figure it out and work your way through that video and get your website set up. So let's get started. Hello, it's Alex here from WP Eagle. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you through the differences between Kingdom version 3 and Kingdom version 2 point whatever, so that if you're currently working on your site and you've installed version 3 and you're looking at one of my videos which has got version 2, you can figure out where you need to go and the differences and all that sort of stuff. I have uploaded another video just probably around the same time I upload this one, which is all about how I updated Kingdom between version 2 to version 3. So again, if you're running version 2 and you're thinking about updating to version 3, do watch that video where I take you through the entire process. It doesn't quite go to plan in that video, but hey, it works out all right in the end. So yeah, I do suggest you check it out. I'll put a link up on the screen, one of those corners. Have a click, and you'll also find all the links that I'm talking about in the description. Anyway, I don't want this video to drag on, so let's get on the computer and I will take you through the differences in terms of setting up Kingdom version 3 against Kingdom version 2. Let's go. Okay, so I've got the two demo sites set up. These are the sites that I've created in previous tutorials. Here's Boot Boutique, which is the most recent one, which is now running version 3. You'll see in my previous video I took you all through the update process, and yeah, it didn't quite go to plan. Check out that video if you haven't seen it. I left a lot of the messy stuff in so you can see what happens when you try and update. Anyway, and over here we've got Zombie Merc, which is from another previous tutorial a little while back, and this one is running version 2.2.2. So in this video I just want to very quickly and clearly take you through the differences between the two themes in terms of setting them up, because if you've been watching my 2017 tutorial, that one was filmed using 2.2.2, and so you may be wondering, I've got Kingdom installed and it's version 3 and it's all different and I don't know what I'm doing. So hopefully this video will try and clarify that. So let's have a quick look at the options that we've got in version 2 and then we'll compare them with version 3. So in version 2 you'll find it all in Appearance Kingdom Theme, and it's the same I think for version 3 as well. Let's just have a look. Yep, Appearance and Kingdom Theme. Okay, let me just close any boxes that we don't need. Right, so let's have a look at the differences between the two. Obviously, they look different. This screen is basically the same. It's the one thing that's changed is the layout. So on version 2, you come in here for the layout, which is the main thing we're going to be using. The sidebars and Widgets Manager is not something that I really use within my tutorials. And anyway, that hasn't really changed, to be fair. There is just the sidebars per section, which is a new feature, but generally it's the same. So let's just go through the layout options, which are the most important. So in version 2, yeah, it's all in here. In version 3, as you see, it's not in here. You have to go into Customize, and then you're in here. So let me just show you the difference. So the first thing is the logo, and you'll find the logo is in Logo. That's fairly straightforward. I think we can probably figure that out. The next is the colours. Again, you've got 5 colours you can set in version 2, and I believe there's 5 in version 3 as well. And you'll find them again under colours. So again, that's fairly straightforward in terms of matching the two up. Typography is all in here on version 2. In version 3, it's under theme fonts. And there's a few more options in here compared to what we had in version 2. And it used to go up to H2 in terms of like the sizes and stuff. So you've got a lot more flexibility on version 3, which is a good thing. And they've just kind of called it theme fonts rather than topography and spacing. So that's where you need to go to configure that stuff. The shop is all the options to do with how many products are showed on the shop page and star ratings, and whether you want to use the product details description tab and all that sort of stuff. So in version 2, it's in here under shop. In version 3, it's in Customize and under shop. So that's pretty straightforward. And the options are basically the same as before. So that's quite easy. Social setup is where we obviously enter our links through to our social media pages. In version 3, they are in header social options. And yeah, again, you just have to paste in all your addresses, and you also have the option to turn them on and off, which is something we didn't have in version 2. Basically, they just appeared if you put something in, and if you didn't, then they wouldn't appear. But now you can put something in, and you can turn it off if you like, which doesn't make much sense, but hey, it's there if you need it. Then in version 2, we had this other final thing called footer, which was actually the header as well. Very confusing. And in version 3, we've actually got 2 areas. We've got the top bar, which is this kind of phone number bit, which you can also put text in. This bit here. And we've then got the footer options here, where you can do your this stuff down the bottom here. Let's show you this footer and all these links here, I believe, which you might want to turn off if you're not using it. So you can, I think, is it going to go off? I think it's that thing. Let's just save and publish. Which before was all in here. Ah, no, the partners module. Oh, I'm confused. The partners module is this bit here with the logos, which is something you probably do want to keep. And these URLs are for these icons here, should you wish to link to PayPal or whatever. I think they're a little bit weird. But hey, they're there if you want them. Oh, so to go back, we click on this arrow up here. Now, there are a few other options that you get with version 3, which is good. The additional CSS and all that stuff is exactly the same as before, which was in the customize area on version 2. The menus moved again, but again, you can also set that in the same place as it was before. So I think that's all you really need to worry about. So hopefully that's clarified the differences. It's not too different. It's just mainly you'll have to go to customize rather than the Kingdom options to do all your kind of styling settings. Hopefully that's clear. If you get stuck at any point, obviously do leave me a comment below and I'll do my best to try and help you out. Good luck if you are working through the tutorial, the 2017. It's a right shame that I released that tutorial just as they were updating the theme, but hopefully with this video and my other video, you can see the difference and you won't get too stuck. I will, of course, do a new video very soon using maybe a different theme, I don't know, but there'll be more Amazon affiliate type tutorials coming very soon. Bye for now.